Hello everybody, welcome back to How to Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the voice assistant language selection on your XPeng car. So, I am on the XPeng P7 Plus Performance. Now, if you guys want to change the voice assistant language selection, we want to click on the vehicle icon to open up our settings. You can also do it straight from the apps. And here, we're going to go to voice assistant. And here we have the voice assistant language selection. So as you guys can see, I got the English. This is my default language. And there's 4 languages. As you guys can see, the English is the only language that's fully supported. And the Cantonese, German, French, or Thai are all in beta. So they might not work that great, but still they're here and they are always improving the languages. Soon there should be more languages available to download, but it's really hard to do because, as you guys know, these packs do not come from any ready packs. You have to customize it especially for your car. It's really hard. And that's how you guys can easily change the voice assistant language selection. So you just download some packs and you'll have it right here in the available voice packs. Now you have the check mark on the right. You want to make sure that it's on the language that you downloaded, and that will be ready. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.